friends! Today we're gonna play a game!
That's right! And today's game is, can you guess which Australian animal this is?
Listen carefully, here comes animal number 1.
I sit up in the gum trees high. I'm a bird, but I don't tweet. My laugh rings out across the sky. My song is quite a treat.
That's a Kookaburra, the bird with the happy laugh.
Guess that sound, what Aussie animal have we found? Listen close and you will see, nature's full of mystery.
Alright friends, here comes animal number 2. Listen carefully.
I hop along the open land with mighty legs so strong. You hear my thumping on the ground as I go bouncing along.
A kangaroo, the super jumper of Australia. Alright friends, here comes animal number 3. Listen carefully.
With feathers bright and snowy white, I screech so loud and clear. You'll hear me calling through the bush, my voice is far and near.
Cockatoo, one noisy Aussie bird. Alright friends, here comes animal number 4. Listen carefully.
I wander through the soft moonlight, I dig and snuffle low. A sturdy fellow of the night, guess me by my gentle growl.
A wombat, a cuddly digger of the bush. Alright friends, here comes animal number 5. Listen carefully.
I howl beneath the starry sky, a wild dog roaming free. My yips and calls echo wide across the bush and trees.
A dingo, Australia's wild dog. Alright friends, here comes animal number 6. Listen carefully.
I cannot fly, but I can run across the fields with pride. My booming call is deep and low, it rumbles far and wide.
A Nemu, the fast runner with the deep boom. Alright friends, here comes animal number 7. Listen carefully.
High in the branches where leaves are sweet, I munch my snacks all day. But hear my growl and you might think I'm bigger than I look today.
A koala, they growl louder than you'd think. Alright friends, here comes animal number 8. Listen carefully.
I copy sounds from far and near, from whistles to birds you hear. A clever mimic in the trees, guess me with sounds like these.
A Lyrebird, the greatest mimic in the world. Alright friends, here comes animal number 9. Listen carefully.
I glide between the trees at night, a tiny friend so small. My chattering sound is soft and quick, can you guess my call?
A sugar glider, the tiny glider of the night.
Guess that sound, what Aussie animal have we found? Thanks for playing here today, in the Aussie bush we love to play.
Thanks for playing with us, friends. See you next time for more Aussie animal fun.